Hello, my name is Chandra Madhyer. I would be talking to you about VSEO and how VSEO is not encrypting its geotag data and how it can pose as a risk to you and expose your location to anyone in your public. It's like writing your geotag, like location data, your house address in your bio, Instagram bio. It's that public. So I will explain how people can get your location from VSEO and how they can benefit from that. Like it is like obvious, like. So we would be proceeding to my screen and I'll show you how it is done. So let's begin. Yes, we are on my screen. So we will firstly open Google Chrome. We will need four things: VSEO or VSEO profile, the EXIF tool, the extension called Image Assistant Batch Image Downloader, and the Excel file, Geotag Excel file that I will provide you in the description. All these three things are provided in the description. Okay, so we will go to our profile. So these are four photos on my profile, Gajni 2005, and as I'm a active traveler, I have one image of the mountains I visited a year ago, me in the toilet, and me as a stockbroker. I'm a Wall Street stockbroker in my dreams. So this is a I was in UK too. Like this is a photo of me beside a cafe, like a famous cafe. I'm not able to get the location of that cafe. So I would be like, I don't know, na. So I would find out. Let's find out. So right click on the web page, go to Image Assistant, then extract current page. Okay. So it will open a new tab and it has extracted all the symbols, all the like 24. These are like, and these are my four photos. So I would deselect. I will hover over to image type. Then I would deselect everything that I don't need. So I would deselect PNG, SVJ, other. So we are left with these four photos. Okay. Deselect that too. So these are JPEG, four photos, right? I would be going to download selected option and drop down menu, then download all. Don't fiddle with these settings. Go to continue, and it has downloaded the four photos. Okay, so we will open the four photos, show in folder. These are the photos. Okay, then we will move it to another, like a drive other than C drive. I have created a geotag folder, so I would paste it at that. Okay, so this is the image. The images, four images, right? So I will simply open it. Okay, this was not the photo. This was the Wall Street photo. This was the toilet photo, mountain photo. This was the photo, the cafe photo, right? So I don't know the location of this photo, right? So I would be pressing Alt plus Enter. Okay, I was in London, so it is showing London, right? I was in the West End. Where was I? I was I was on beside King's Charles Street, on Downing Street. I was on the Downing Street. So you get that, right? I can see the exact location of myself. So this is one thing. The other thing is how I can uh, extract all the, like if I had 100 photos, I would like to extract the data at once, right? Latitude, longitude. So I have a tool called XF tool. So we would need CMD for that, right? CMD, command prompt. Then type CMD. So command prompt will come and hover over to run as administrator. Yes. Then you will write, first of all, write D, capital D, colon, enter. So the drive has changed. You will change its directory to. So type CD and then go to here, like the location of the XF tool. right click, copy, then go to again command prompt. After cd, type control v, like, and paste that, then hit enter. So it has changed to geotag xf tool. So then go to my xf tool file, that is in the description. Okay, then the line is the last line, should be the last line, right? Enter your location. So the location is of photos. So we would go to our photos. These are the photos, right? So I would copy the address of this, then go to my xf tool notepad, then delete this, enter your location, and add the address. So this is the address. This is done. So copy this, minimize, then paste it in the command prompt. Okay, then hit enter. Okay, so it is showing again this, right? So minimize this and go to the xf tool file. So this is the output, like you can see this, right? So this is our geotag longitude latitude data in Excel. So we will open this. Okay, so I've got the all these are the photos, and this is the latitude longitude data. Okay, see this. So I would simply copy this, then go to the Chrome tab and go to the Geotag Excel file, the Google Chrome file. You should like make a copy of this, then try to edit this because it will not allow without a copy. So okay, it will show as view only. So to correct that, sign in with your Gmail account, then go to the file option, then make a copy, and that then it will become editable. So we have the latitude longitude data, right? So this is not my real ID. So from my real ID, I will go to another tab. So this is my real ID. This is signed in. So I would paste this, right? Paste it. So okay. So what we have four, right? Four images. Okay. So then I would open these. Open link in new tab. Open link in new tab. Open a new tab. And then again open link in new tab. So we have four images, right? See. So we will start from Downing Street. See, I was in Downing Street. I was beside the some building, like government building. So then we would go to another image. Oh, these are the mountains. Where was it there? That in USA Elementary School District, Shasta Mountains, Mount Shasta. So, oh, which photo was this? And this photo was taken in where Wall Street. This was the Wall Street photo. Then this is the photo where, this is the Taj Mahal photo. So I visited Taj Mahal and fell ill by seeing that. Like I was that mesmerized that I got diarrhea. So the photo was this photo. So this was in Taj Mahal, in the Taj Mahal toilet. So you get that point, right? Pinpoint, like I can see where I was. Taj Mahal, Wall Street, New York, Shasta Mountains, and Downing Street, London. Full pinpoint. Home office, the Prekin show. So you get that point, right? It's simple. Like paste that in, just go to the link and you can find out the exact pinpoint location. And you can do it like for any like n number of images, 200, 250 images, doesn't matter. It will work. So to protect yourself, remove the location services don't allow location services on your camera settings. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe. This is like seriously like I am a noob at this, but then to like it is that easy. And thank you for watching.
Another thing.
Another thing, the exif tool file might look like this when you download. Rename it to cut this, like minus 12.96.64. Okay, cut it, enter. It should look like this. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't text somebody like saying I can see your location, or and maybe something like that, like I can see your location, change that, delete VSC or something like that. Don't delete VSCO, just edit your settings, like change that from, like, don't share a location, like go to camera settings and do that, like turn that off. And don't turn that off, like turn that off, but don't just text somebody like saying like delete VSCO, this is serious or something like that. People find that creepy. I've done that, so don't do that. So okay, thanks for watching, and be safe and learn about cybersecurity, because, and tell me too, like I want to know about cybersecurity and cyber crimes, like how they are committed, like, for education purposes only.
ダメだねダメよダメなのよあんたが好きで好きすぎてどれだけ強いを避けても歪めない